of a whole number, right? Before we go there, who can remember what is a prime factor? Yes? Okay. Who can tell me what's a prime factor? Oh, first, let's go. What's a prime number? Yes, I'm going to go with Sky. Sky, what's a prime number?
Number that only have two factors.
Which are?
Two factors.
What are the two factors?
One and itself.
One and itself. Thank you. So, who can tell me the prime numbers between 1 to 10? What are the prime numbers? I will go with Earth. Let's go Earth. 1. A prime number. 1. And go. Yes?
3.
Earth? What is the first prime number? 3 is not the first. Tell me from 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
Between 1 to 10. What are the prime numbers between 1 to 10? 1 is not a prime number. Say 1 is a prime number. Who can say why 1 is not a prime number? It has just one factor. Prime numbers, like what Sky said, must have two factors. One and itself. So those are two. It must have two. 1 just have one factor. So 1 is not there. Let's try Earth one more time. Let's give it one more try. Yes? 2. 2. What else? So we're talking about prime numbers between 1 to 10. The first is 2. What's next?
3.
3. What's next?
5.
5. What's next?
7.
7. What's next?
9.
No! There you go.
3.
Alright? I deceived you. Then this is the last one. Okay? So 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 7. Those are the prime numbers between 1 to 10. Alright? So now so I'm gonna go with Nalin. Tell me. Oh my god, so scared. Okay, Nalin will tell me what is the prime factor. Listen to the question. What is the prime factor of 10? Whole number 10. What are the prime factors of 10? 2. What else? 2 and 5. So we know that the factors of 10 would be 1, 2, 5, and 10, right? But in these factors, there are only 2 prime numbers, right?
Yeah.
Which is 2 and 5. So therefore, these 2 and 5 are now the prime factor. Get the name, prime factor. Means a prime number that's also a factor. That's why we have the word prime factor. You understand? Right. So today we're going straight to factorization. Now, sorry. Yes, we will do prime factorization of a whole number. We will do division, and we will do factor tree. So let's go to the first one here. Factorization of a whole number. Okay. How do I factorize a whole number? Here we go. I would like someone to read this. I will go with paper. Paper will read what you can see on the television. Let's go. A whole. Can you speak louder so my camera can catch you? A whole number and alright, not including 1 and itself. So, first thing first, who can say what's the linear product in math? In mathematics, is product plus sign, minus sign, multiplication sign, or division sign? Multiplication. So when you see the word product, you know what? If you see the word sum, what is sum in math?
division.
No.
Add.
Add. Addition. What about difference?
Difference.
Difference, sorry. Difference is minus. What about product?
Multiplication.
Product is multiplication. How about quotient?
Division.
Quotient. Later you see quotient. Quotient means division. So look for these words. If I say, what's the sum of money son has to the money of Kun, means add. Sum, alright? If I say, what's the difference between son's money and Kun's money, means subtract or minus, right? There you go. So, here we go. Now, example 18. Who can say what are the factors? Just the factors. Remember, not the prime factors, just the factors of 18. Who can tell? Yes? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Alright? Now, so I can take two things. I could say 18 is equal 3 times 6, right? Or I could say 18 is equal 2 times 9. Alright? Remember, we are not adding 1 and itself. So we forget about 1 and forget about 18. Okay? So what do we have there? 2, 9, 3, 6. Right? Okay. So there we go. 2, 9. Now, I want just prime numbers. Only prime numbers. 9 is not a prime number. 2 is a prime number. So 2 is okay. But 9 is not okay. So what are the prime numbers I can use to replace 9? 3. So 3 times 3. There you go. There we go. So I don't want 9. I go with 3 times 3. As you can see here, they are all prime numbers now. So it's okay. Let's go to the next one. I can also have 3 times 6, right? 3 times 6 is also 18. There we go. But 3 is a prime number. I can definitely do that. 6 is not.
3 times 2.
3 times 2 or, now in math, when you're doing prime numbers, always remember to put the small number first. So it's 2 times 3, okay? But in this case, we have 3 here, so we might go 3 times 2. Alright? There we go. Always remember to put a smaller number first, alright? So, in order to rewrite this, I will write this now as 2 times 3 times 3. This should be, if you want to write this, you cannot say 3 times 2 times 3. The small number cannot be in between, okay? So you bring the 2 in front first. You go 2 times 3 times 3, okay? There we go. There you have it. So 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. That is called factorization of a whole number. Remember, when you're done, you must only have prime numbers there. Only prime numbers, right? Let's do another one. See, when a whole number is written as a product, means times, right? As a product of its prime factors, it is called prime factorization, right? There you go. Let's see. 20. I think this is in your textbook. You know what? We will do one on the board. I want a random number. So I think you're just looking at your textbooks right now. So let's go. Let's pick a random number. I would ask B. B will tell me, give me a number that will do using factorization method. Right? B, think of a number. That's good. B, what number should we do? 25. Okay, 25 is quite easy, right? So let's see. 25 is quite easy, but B says 25. So let's see. 25. Remember, we cannot use 1 and itself. So what are the products of 25? 1, 5, and 25. So basically, we cannot use 1 and 25. It becomes 5 times 5. That's all. Quite easy, like I said. Next, yeah, there you go. 5 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number, so we'll stop there. Now, another one, I'm gonna ask, give me a number that we can do on the board. A number. Oh, please, just a minute. This is a very good example. There's something we call exponents. Exponents. Okay, exponents. It's just a word. Forget about it. Exponents just means if you have 5 times 5, you can write it as 5. How many 5s is here? 2. 5, 2. Okay, if I have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, how many 2s do I have here? 3. So 2, 3 times, how many 3s do I have? 2, 3 times 2. You get it? Easy. Now, I have a question for Nuggets. Nuggets, if I have 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, what's the answer? Okay? 1 raised to the power 4. Now what's the final answer? What's the final answer? It's still 1. Right? Right? Hey, but sorry? You want to take a close up walk? Okay, that's good. Sorry? 100. Yes, this will get 1 too. 1 raised to the power 4 is 1. 1 raised to the power 100 is 1. 1 raised to the power 1 million is 1. Sorry. Okay, you get it? Let's go now. Still on prime factorization. One more. So we said food is going to give, food. It's going to give us a number that we'll do on the board. Let's go. Give me another word. Factorization of how much time? Word? 35.
Yes.
It's quite easy to.
Oh,
okay. So 35. We have 35.
yeah.
Equals what?
7.
5 times 7. Remember, the smaller number will come first. Okay? 5 times 7. Okay? That's all. It's quite easy. 90. Okay? I'd say 90. Let's go 90. So 90 would be what? Tell me out. Okay, you know what? Remember, we must use the smallest number first. So 2 times 1 will give me 90. 45, right? So 2 times 45. 2 is a prime number. We'll give 2 there. How about 45? What will I times to get 45 now? 5 times 9. 5 times 9. 5 is a prime number. So I'll leave 5. And leave 5, I leave 2. 9. 3 times 3. Thank you. So, remember, I must write the smaller numbers first. So how do I write this down? 2 times.
3.
So it would be, where the stand so you can see. I'm going to do it here. So it would be 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. But I can also, can you see the markers?
3.
I can say 2 times 3 raised to the power 2 times 5. There you go. You get it? Son, you understand? You sure? Who don't understand so far? You just say, my rule. Is that my rule? How do I misunderstand, right? How do I Alright, so let's go. Let's go to our textbook. page, if you go to page 10, we will do finding prime factorization using division. Okay? Alright, next. There we go. Sorry. Can I go to the, here we go. Here we go. Alright. Hello. This is prime factorization. Okay? We want to go to the second method. Prime factorization using division. This is product. We're going to use quotients now. I've erased it. Product means multiply. Quotient means divide. Alright? We will not, since we're multiplying, right? Now we're going to divide. So the question says, finding prime factorization using division. Right? There we go. We will start with looking for 48. Remember, we must always use prime numbers to divide it. And we must start with the smallest prime number. Right? So, 48, I hope you can see from there. Build a nice house. We have 48. Okay? What can divide 48? 2. There you go. So 2 divide 48 is what?
24.
24. Thank you. Once again, you build a nice house. What else can go? 4 can go, but 4 is not a prime number, right? 2. Thank you. So 3 can also work, but 3 is bigger than 2. Remember, we must use the smallest prime number, okay? 3 would work, but 3 is bigger, you have 2. Do you understand? So 2 is 12. Once again, 3 can work, but 2 is better, thank you. So 2 is what? 6. And 2 will be 3 is a prime number itself. Do you understand? We'll stop here. Why? Because we have a prime number down here. So what's the final answer? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. That's it. Okay? So let's see. Same here. As you can see here. 2, 24, 2 again. We've done this already, right? 2, 6, and then we have what left there? 3. So now, at the end, you must multiply all of it. Okay? You must start from here, you multiply it right down here. Okay? There we go. So the answer is 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Or, how do we get 2 raised to power 4? How?
2 have 4.
You have 4 2's there. Thank you. 2 has 4 numbers. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 1, 3. Okay? And again says, I don't understand. Do you understand? How about king? King? Chanika, do you understand? Come on. Do you understand? Ozone, do you understand it? Do you understand it? Are you sure? Sure? Okay. Let's get another one, sir. I have a question here. Is it possible to prime factorize a prime number? Can you prime factorize a prime number? No. Like 2. So you cannot, because it's just 1 and itself. Remember, we can only factorize a number without 1 and itself. Okay? So we cannot factorize a prime number because it has 1 and itself. Okay? That's good. Let's see one more. We have here the factor tree. Before we go, I would want to do one with Ozone. Ozone says he does not understand. Ozone, give me a number. Let's go, Ozone. Give me a number. Let's work it together. You know what, Ozone? Let's go with 72. Let's go 72. Okay? So let's see. Remember, we're dividing. 72 divide. What can divide 72? Wait, someone is talking here. Attention, please. Attention, please. Ozone, 2 can divide 72. Right? 2 divided 72 is what? 2 divided 7 is 3, right? 3 remainder 1. 3 remainder 1. Yeah. 2 divided 12. 2 divided by 12. 12 divided 2. That's 6, right? 6. Okay, over. 2 one more time. 2 divided 3. It's 1. Remainder 1. Right? 2 divided 3 is 1. Remainder 1. 2 divides 16 or 16 divided by 2. 8. What is it because on the room? It's kind of slow. It's 2 divided 16 is 8. Okay? 8. What can go? 2. Hello? Hello? 2 can go. 2 divided 18 is what? Nacha? Who was under there? You right there? Alright. Yes? 2 divided 18 is what? 9. Thank you. 9. 9. What can divide 9 now? A prime number. 3, right? 3 is a prime number. So 3 divided 9 is what? 3. 3 divided 9 is 3. Okay, 9 divided 3 is 3. Right? There you go. So this is the last one. Stop there. So we multiply all we have here. We have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. What's the answer now? 2? 2, 3 times 3 to 2. Thank you. So remember, this is called exponents. You might see in your book. They might say, write that in an exponential number. Right? Means 3 to 2 to 3. It's there, right? There you go, exponents. Yes. Alright, so let's go to the last one here. The factor tree is the same. Now, we're just going to build a tree. You can look in the textbook, it's there. Alright? So let's go. We want to build a tree for 54. Now get who's going to do this to me. Okay, now get this together. 54. What can we multiply to get 54? 2. 2 times what? 2 times? 2. There are other ways. If you cannot get 2, you can use 6 times, but it's 2 times 20. Thank you. 27. Okay, but there are other ways. 6 times 9 is also. But we're going to do 2 times 27 to get something different. How about 27? What will give me 27? What will give me 27? 3 times 3 times 9. Okay? 3 times 9. Okay, remember, I would ignore the prime numbers. I only work with numbers that are not prime. Okay? So, what will I multiply to get 9? 3 times 3. So, as you can see here, this looks like a tree, or a tree upside down. Right? It's like a tree, but we'll turn it. So this is like the roots going to the branches, going to the leaves. Right? So this is the end. All of them are now prime numbers. We'll stop here. So what do we do next? Okay. What can we do next here? So what am I multiplying? What am I times? 2? 2 times? Okay. So you 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. In exponents, what? 2
times 3
to the power of 3. There you go. Alright? So let's see what we have here. Maybe it's the same. But we did 2 times 27. They're using 6 times 9. It's the same. Right? So let's see if we're going to get the same answer. There we go. Observe. How do I get 9? 6 is 2 times 3. What about 9? 3 times. 3 times. Sorry, no. 3 times 3. Okay, 3 times 3. There you go. So, what's the final answer now? Final answer would be. What's going on here? There you go. There you go. Same. So we got it, right? It's the same. Alright? Do you understand? So, today we've done 3 methods. 1, factorization. 2, division. And 3, factor tree. Do you understand? What if I say find 50 using factor tree? What do I do? 50 using factor tree. I don't have time to much. 50 using factor tree. So I will do, when I do this, I will do this. Remember factor tree. What method? This method or this method? Factor tree. Factor tree here, thank you. So we will do 50, right? So we will go 50. I don't think maybe I can see. I'm going to come here so I can see. 50. Factor tree. 1, 2. B, what do I do next? What do I do next, B? There are 2 ways in order to get 50, right? What are the 2? 5 and 10, or remember, he said 5. There you go. Remember to use the smaller number first, okay? So, let's go with 5 and 10. Why not? 5 times 10. Now what? How do I get? What do I do here? 2.5. 2 times 5. What do I do next? Stop, right? All prime numbers now. So how do I arrange this? How do I start? Which do I write first? 2. It will be 2 times 5 times 5. Or 2 times 2. There you go. Alright, so now we will go to our textbook.
Okay.
Textbook time. What page there? Sorry? With me? Yes, alright, let's go. No, yeah. Very straight, yes. Very straight to page 11. Page 11, let's go. Page 11. What? Do like this. Okay. Honey, division, you're going to do both. Number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 1 and number 2. That's what I do, right? Yeah. Honey? Very fast. Okay, you understand? A is like this, and B is the tree. You understand? A is to divide like that. A, this is A, and this is B. You get it? This is number 1, 27, do divide, 27 do factor tree. 2, 80 divide, 18 factor tree. So maybe you can draw this line, put a little line to separate, just use a ruler and a pencil, draw a little line so you can have A and B separated. Okay? And B. Yeah, this is factor tree. So what's the final? So it's gonna be what? 3 times. Which is equal to 3 raised to the power. There you go. Nice. Ultra. It's quite on. Nine will divide, but 9 is not a prime number. So what prime number can divide? Yeah, actually finish. 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 Is it finish or finish? Oh, let's say finish. Alright. So 3 can go. 3. 3. Not 9. 9 is not a prime number. Yeah, awesome. So now you have 3 times 3 times 3, right? So you have to finish this. After finish here, you will now do this. You write like this. Okay? Like 2 times 2 times Okay. Let's finish. We'll go to the workbook. So we are doing hello, the class has been recorded. The class has been recorded. Why be quiet? Yeah. Star, you know, right? Yes. You need to draw the tree, right? Just like this. Please finish straight like this. And then go to the walk. Finish, go to the workbook and do pages. Finish your test. Bring to this side and check. Please, let's try to be quiet. Okay, do what I'll do. Okay, Counter, bring the notebook, write the names of those 4 kids. Number 1, Counter, number 2, Noah. Faster. Number 1, let's go. Notebook behind, yes. Number 1, Counter, number 2, Noah. Number 3, Nagri.
How many points?
I'll talk about that later. 1, Noah, 2, sorry, 1 Counter, 2, Noah, 3, Nagri. Noah times 2. Please go to the workbook once you're done. Don't worry, because I'll tell you to write that. Go to your workbook, page this wall. Activity and activity 1. Yes, please. August. Now 1 times 3, August times 1. I'll go see what. Yes, please. Excellent. What did you do? It's quite easy. That's enough. What's the one, right? Yeah. Now, what's the one, right? That's right. paper and color. You copy? I would say yes, I copy that. Take it to me, keep going. Yeah? You like. Great. Paper. Paper like paper. Why you being called paper? Why do you call it paper? I'm gonna call you paper. You ask something. Ask what? Okay, then home say, teacher said I should ask, why did you call me paper? Okay? Yes? So this would be 2 times 2 times 3. Just 2 is yes. I'm seeing one, yeah. Yes, you can do that. What's the number? 250. Yeah, you can do 5. You can do 10. You can do 10 times 25. You can do 5 like that, okay? Up to you. Yes. Not down. But the smaller one first. Up. Not correct. 10 times 9 is not 8. 10 times 8. 18. 8 times 10, right? It will be 8 is 2 times 4. It's 8, right? 10, 2 times 5, right? 2 times 5 is 10. 4. 2 times 2. So 2, 5. 10 times 9 is 18. So 9 so 18. 2 times 5 is 2. But it's 2 times 4. So 4 will be 2 times 2. So 2. the problem. 3 times 2. So it's 2 times 26. All right. Okay, so we've come to the end of the class. We will do those as some work. So now we can go to our English book. All right. So please, sorry. Is English what a science? What do we have after this? I think it's English world. Yes. So please, we would check page 11, activity G&I in our next class. You can do us some work. Let's go to the English book now. I will stop my video. Yes, goodbye. I want to say goodbye to the class. Goodbye.